student, today we will discuss a type E chopper. So class E chopper is a 4-quadrant chopper. That means what? It functions in all 4 quadrants, that is first, second, third and fourth quadrant. It is what? It is a parallel combination of 2 type C chopper. Okay, we already seen what is C chopper. So it is what? It is a parallel combination of 2 type C chopper. Okay, here you can see the circuit diagram of type E chopper. Okay, so it consists of 4 diodes D1, D2, D3 and D4 and 4 chopper switch, that is S1, S2, S3 and S4. This one is S1. Okay, load is connected over here and this is the supply voltage. Okay, now there are 4 modes of operation for this type E chopper. We will learn it one by one. Now again, remember here positive and negative polarity at this point will be considered as the output voltage, positive output voltage, and this is the direction of positive current. Okay, this direction is assumed as a positive current. Okay, so first we see the modes of operation. So first mode for first quadrant operation. So this is the equivalent circuit for first quadrant operation. Here switch S1 and S4 are turned on. Okay, so switch S1 and S4 turn on. So here S1 closed and S4 is closed. Okay, so supply voltage connected over here. So this is connected. Okay, so here the direction of current, that is output current, this is the supply current direction. Okay, and this is the output current direction. You can see here red color. So this is the current of I0 which is flowing through this load. Okay, now when the current is flowing through the inductor, now here inductor will store the energy with this polarity, positive and negative. Okay, now you can see the direction of current is same as that of assumed direction of current. Okay, so here you will get the output current is positive. Okay, now here this terminal is positive, this terminal is negative. So supply voltage positive terminal connected over here with positive, negative connected over here. Okay, that means what? Output voltage also positive. Okay, so here inductor will store the energy in first quadrant. So for first quadrant you are getting the output voltage is positive and output current also positive. Okay, now next quadrant operation is fourth quadrant operation. Okay, so here we turn off the switch S1 and S4. Okay, so when S1 and S4 are turned off, then inductor will release the energy, okay, with this polarity. Okay, now due to this polarity, diode D2 and D3 are forward bias. You can see here positive, that means anode is connected to the positive, here cathode is connected to the positive. Okay, so D3, D2 forward bias, and this inductor will release the energy through this diode. Now here the direction of current you can see, this is the direction of current. Again it is same as that of the assume consider direction of current. So current is positive. Okay, now here you can see if this is positive terminal, negative terminal, then supply voltage negative terminal get connected with this positive and positive will connected to the negative. That means you will get output voltage negative here. Okay, so here V0 is equal to negative output voltage and I0 is positive. So this is the fourth quadrant operation where inductor will release the energy. Next is the third quadrant operation. So in third quadrant operation, we again turn on the switch S3 and S2. Okay, then equivalent circuit will be like this. So current will flowing in this direction. You can see here, this is the direction of output current that is flowing through the load. So here you can see the direction of current through the load is opposite. That means it is in this direction. That means you are getting here a output current negative, right? And voltage terminals also reverse here, so output voltage also negative. Again here inductor will store the energy. Okay, so this is the third quadrant operation. Now fourth quadrant that is the second quadrant operation. This is the equivalent circuit for second quadrant operation. So when you turn off the switch S2 and S3, okay, then inductor will release the energy through the diode D1 and D4. Okay, so here you can see the direction of current through the inductor is again negative. Okay, you can see here, this is the direction of current that is flowing from this terminal to this. Okay, but here you can see the output voltage is positive, as positive terminal of supply voltage is connected to this positive, negative will be connected to this negative terminal, so output voltage will be positive. Okay, so these are the operation in first, second, third and fourth mode. Okay, so now we see the quadrant operation. So you know that here class E chopper work in first, second, third and fourth operation. Okay, so here you can see four quadrant operation. So diagram. Okay, so this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, output voltage and output current both are positive. In second quadrant, output voltage is positive and output current is negative. In third quadrant, voltage and current both are, and again here output current is positive and output voltage is negative. Okay, so in this what happen, the inductor store the energy, so power will flow from source to load. Okay, here inductor release the energy, the power will flow from load to source. Okay, in this quadrant again inductor will store the energy, so power will flow from source to load. Okay, and here again it release the energy, so power or energy will flow from load to source. Okay, so this is the operation of type E chopper.